The following program contains adult language, poor taste in jokes, racial slurs, political slurs, slants, and all sorts of things that, if you are sensitive and have a delicate constitution, you should probably go watch Teletubbies. You were warned.
Hey kids, welcome back to Roto Talk.
Kids, welcome back. Sorry for the delay again. I am still sick. I've been sick since Monday. That's why my voice sounds all funky. Yesterday I couldn't talk at all. It was a blessing for my family. But this isn't going to be a real long video. We're going to be doing two build videos at the same time. So we're going to finish up our V-Box here shortly as soon as I get my voice back, where I can actually do a good half-hour long thing, hopefully tomorrow. But Uncle Joe sent us the Tunnel Haul, the G30. We're going to do this one too, probably start this before we have the V-Box finished. Of course, V-Box is almost finished, so. Either way. So the unboxing of the G30. Let's see what Uncle Joe said. Ooh, thank you, Uncle Joe. Now, I have not built one of these yet. So this one, we're actually going to follow the directions, which should be interesting for me. Okay, so this is a foam core boat. What that means is we're going to be cutting the foam that comes with the kit in the shape of the sponsons, I believe, and then we're going to laminate the foam with the wood. So that's a whole new devil for me. So let's see. There's the bottom, the top. Very, very cool. Let's open it up. Let's have a little fun. Apologies for my voice. Not that it's ever any good anyway, but it's been a rough week, man. I mean, I've had worse head colds, but whew, this one's draining. All right. Yeah, my ice melted, so we're going to hopefully run a boat tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice. There's a top. There's a laser line of sorts. Another top. So that's sponson tops. What's this bit? That's a bit. Another bit. I'm not breaking anything off because I don't know. I have never built this before, so hopefully there's directions. If not, then I guess we'll just figure it out. Outer chine, maybe. All right. Now, Uncle Joe actually did send me this boat a year ago, I think, as a prototype, which he does a lot. And thank you. I absolutely love getting prototype boats. It's so much fun. You get a box of wood, no directions, and you just got to make it run. And he sent me a few of those now, and I absolutely love it. So, Joe, if you're watching, always send me your prototype boats. I don't care what they are. It's fun to do. But I never got to build it. Kind of got stuck by the wayside, and I sent it to my buddy J.J. Horvath down in Florida, who's a racer, and he built it. I don't think he's run it yet, but he built it. So there's some guts. Here's our foam cores that we're going to be cutting. Okay. New for me. I have not cut styrofoam like that before. Alright. Let's see. Excuse me. Now, this I remember from the prototype. It's a zip cut. Foam cutting bow. So it comes with some wires. And you hook this up, I believe, to a 3S, maybe a 2S battery. And the wire across it, that's what you cut the foam with. It gets hot like a toaster, like a resistor, and that's what you cut the foam with. Very interesting. Very unique way of doing this. And there's all this stuff. Look at this neat stuff. Let's open it up.
The box. You opened it. We came.
It's just a puzzle box!
And I'm sorry this is less than, maybe less than exciting, but I don't have a lot of oomph today. But I'm excited for this boat. Joe is sending me the gas tunnel haul as well. What's the hell's the name of that thing? I'm sorry, my brain's not there. It doesn't matter. But anyway, the new version of that, it's not even out yet. So that's kind of a prototype, I think. And I can't wait. We're going to be buying the outboard unit and everything, but it's going to be a gasser. It's a nice big one. But this is the electric. And he asked me if I would make it electric, and I said, sure, because I was going to make it nitro. And he asked me if I needed any of the electrical bits, and I said I did, but we'll see if he remembered. Okay. Those are bulkheads. These are top, looks like top pieces. Maybe bottom, I don't know. Nose blocks, I know Joe. Those are probably nose blocks. This is if you're doing nitro. 3 servo cutouts. Steering throttle. Piece of balsa. Bits and bulbs. Blind nuts. Little pins like your grandma used to use for macrame. Look at that. God, macrame. Remember that shit. Some more bits and bobs. And, oh man, this thing is pretty involved. It's pretty... I like it. It's neat. You guys know I'm not a hell of an electric guy. And I know nitro tunnel hulls fairly well, I'd like to say. Here's the bottom. But man, I don't know shit about electric outboards. I've got the adapter kit and everything for one, but and I think I did run one. I built an ML and I didn't love it. I'll just leave this out for now. I won't bore you with that. It was a manual. We're gonna need that. Very rarely do I say that. Let's see, there's that. What's this bit? This is a cowl of some sort. Maybe a nose piece. Not sure. Now, I remember the prototype you sent me. I'm pretty sure this is ABS. I'm pretty sure the whole cowl was ABS. But now it's fiberglass, which, thank you. I like fiberglass much, much better. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the original prototype was fiberglass, too. I can't remember. I don't think it was, though. So, yeah, look at that layup. That's pretty sharp. For a couple $1 million. That's pretty nice. All right. So, I will have to dig up an ESC and hopefully a motor. I think I've got one. I don't know. I've got a lot of electric stuff, but most of my electric stuff is 6S. Pretty heavy duty. I don't know. We'll see. We'll build her. We don't need the guts yet. That's putting the cart before the horse, as they say. So, that is our ZippKits G30. I'll put a link in the bottom of this gig for that. Click on it. Build along if you want. We're going to start this possibly tomorrow. I'm not making any promises on that. If not, it will definitely be next week. It's supposed to have some nice weather this week. It's supposed to be like 60. I will be out there running boats. I will be here, look. And taking some video of running. I need to run, man. This building's fun, but gotta run. So, on that note, I gotta run. Keep dry side up, kids, and hopefully a better voiced Rotocrap will be with you tomorrow. Keep dry side up. Bye.
What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Say it again.